In this video, I'm going to show you how to use risk reward in cTrader. Now to do this, you want to open up your chart, and then on here from the right hand toolbar, you can see a bunch of different tools. And to use the risk reward, it's actually this one over here just above the T. If it's in a different place, you could go ahead and just look for it, and whenever you hover over, you could use the risk reward buy tool or the risk reward sell tool. So whichever one you want to select, depending on what trade you're trying to do, you can just click on it, and it's going to basically kind of change your cursor, and you can click wherever you want to operate. So I'm just going to go over here for better visuals, and I'm going to click, and as you can see, it's going to give me the ratio, risk, and then reward as well. Now I can go and, for example, change this. So I can change the ratio. By default, it's going to be here in the middle, but of course you can change this if you wanna. So for example, I can go up or down depending on my ratio, and then I can also adjust my reward by dragging it down over here with this circle, and the risk as well by dragging it up or down with this circle as well. Okay, now it's always going to start calculating the risk and the reward over here as well in both pips and USD or whatever currency you are using. And then of course you can adjust the ratio whenever you are happy to do that, or place it to a point where you want it to be. Now you could also right click and use this locked button, and when you do this, it's going to lock everything in place. You won't be able to move it anymore. It's going to stay on your chart just like this, and it's only going to show the parameters whenever you hover over it. Okay, so that's one way to do this. You can unlock by doing the exactly same thing. Of course, you can then go and adjust that according to your own trading style, preferences, and what you want to achieve. But what this does is, of course, it allows you to also quickly buy or sell. Okay, so if I go and place another one for buy over here, I was right now on the sell one. I'm going to click another one for the buy. There we go. I can go and adjust this the exactly same way. As you can see here, I could go up or down. I can adjust my risk and ratio, and of course I can kind of either just calculate things, or I could also just go ahead and basically buy or of course sell, and it's going to immediately create orders. If I open up my trade watch down here at the bottom under orders, as you can see, I do have two of these orders over here. It's gonna put on the of course accurate take profit and stop loss depending on what I've set when I use the risk reward tool. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Now of course, if you want to manage any of these positions, you can just right click and click on modify order, or you could also just double click on it, and it's going to open up your pending orders. And then in here you can go and set your prices, volumes, stop losses, take profits. You can modify these if you wanna, and then you are good to go. That's essentially how to use the risk reward tool in cTrader. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.